Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to take a look at wireless headphones, that how you can sell wireless headphones on Amazon. So before we discuss about selling, we will understand about wireless headphones first. What things to check out in wireless headphones to sell them. So to know about wireless headphones, we are going to read an article on easytechjunkie.com. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. What are wireless headphones? Wireless headphones, sometimes called cordless headphones, are small electronic speakers that a user can wear close to his or her ears to listen to sounds provided by a device but that are not connected to the device by wires. The sounds typically are transmitted from a device such as digital music player or smartphone to the headphones using radio frequency waves. Some early versions transmitted the sound using infrared signals. The headphones can be as large as padded cups that cover the ears or as small as earbuds that fit snugly into the ear canals. Wireless headphones can receive signals up to a certain distance away from the source devices, usually at least 100 feet 30.5 meter. Uses and advantage. These headphones are convenient for use during activities when wire would get in the user's way. For example, someone who is doing aerobic exercise or basic house cleaning might be able to move his or her arms more freely without worrying about getting tangled in the headphone wires. Wireless headphones are able to be secured somewhat to the user's head or ears, such as a strap that goes over the top of the head. Sorry, or hooks that curl over the tops of the ears, so the user does not have to worry about them falling off during normal activities. Many people use wireless headphones with small devices that are somewhere on their bodies, such as clipped to their belts or held in their pockets or special holders that were um, designed for the devices. It can be convenient at times, however, for a device to be placed somewhere nearby instead. This can allow the user to move around more freely or perform activities that might damage. He or she also can move to uh, other rooms if necessary, as long as the headphones range does not exceed it. Wireless headphones also can be used with large surge devices such as video game consoles or stereo systems that practically be moved with the user from place to place. Disadvantages. Compared with headphones, there are a few disadvantages to using wireless versions. The main one is that they are not connected to a power supply, so they either need to be powered by batteries or need to be recharged um, on a regular basis. It could be inconvenient for the headphones to suddenly lose power and quit working while someone is using them. Another less common disadvantage is that headphones might lose the signal from the source device or experience interface. For example, if the user is in a different room from where the source device is, and if there is a significant barrier in between, the signal received by the headphone might be weakened. There also is a risk of other radio waves interfering with the signals that are being sent from the device to the headphones. So that was the some information about wireless headphones. Now we will move forward to the Amazon, and then we'll search wireless headphones on Amazon official website. So let's search here wireless headphones. Um, as you can see, there are headphones with different costs, and the first one that is coming on the recommendation page is technical wireless noise cancelling headphones. So it's basically costs $275, and you can see it is high amount, and if you like sell them, you will generate a great profit through selling this. So there are many other wireless headphones. You can see these devices prices, so you can sell them and make a great profit on it. Just list your item on the Amazon and then get an order and then get a profit. So that was the video about selling wireless headphones online. So I hope you found it helpful this video. So it's time to end this video right here. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye, see you, Allah Hafiz.